Hello students, again I am in front of you taking just the next chapter from your second book Vistas. The first chapter of your textbook Vistas is the third paper that is given by Jack Finney. Jack Finney was such a writer who used to write the stories of imagination, fiction, or even a science. And third level is also one of them. In this story, Jack Finney had explained about a character, or even that is the narrator of this chapter, Mr. Charlie, who was just in tension, stress, anxiety, but wanted to search out a way or solution of his suffering or anxiety or suffering. That's why he always just in search of a person or a place that could help him. But when we are unable to get any of solution with the help of first or second person, there's only third way, or we can say third person. But sometimes we are just in a solitary form. How can we get a solution? Just like now COVID-19 is going on, pandemic is going on, and its sufferings are not being over. So what is the way? That's why he realized an imagination through his brain, and his brain was considered his own friend. Named, he was also given a name, same winner, and even itself his friend was considered a good psychiatrist who could suggest him such in conditions like stress, anxiety, and tension. That's why one day, how the chapter begins, one day Charlie was just at his office, and he realized he was so late and he wanted to reach his home, and even his wife Lucia so hurry. But he used to go by a first level and second level. But today or on that day, he imagined the third level that was never heard by anybody of else, never seen by anybody of else. That's why it was completely imagination of his brain, or imaginable third level. What was it? It was imagination or imagination of place of the Grand Central building of New York, or railway station we can say, in which there was first level, second level, but there was no third level. But he imagined, by which he wanted to reach first to his wife, and then to a place that was free from tension, anxiety, stress. That's why he was in hurry when he was so late, and just going towards the Grand Central Railway Station. And first he reached at the first level, second level, and then reached at the third level after crossing huge hurdles or sufferings. But when he reached there, only in imagination, what happened? Everything was different there. Whether it's seats, whether it's a window, ticket window, whatever, the persons, everyone is different. And finally, he offered two tickets from the booking window, but the booking clerk was, who was completely different, wearing a different uniform, asked to pay for it. As Charlie paid for it, but it was completely old currency. That's why clerk warned him, do you want to did you want to cheat me? You would be imprisoned. Then he asked what to do. You have to exchange this money into new currency. And he came out from the third level in search of just to exchange the money by a bank or even any of commission agent. And in the mid, he realized what would be better. It would be changed by a dealer or even a bank. And on that time, it was a very cheap time. बहुत ही सस्ता जमाना हुआ करता था. That's why he realized to pay something extra and get money that was just in market on that time. And even he told all about it to his friend also. And friend had also same dinner that was imaginative only, some old currencies, and he wanted to also change this currency into new currency. And after getting exchanged this currency, wanted to Charlie wanted to reach again at the third level, and with his wife to go to a place that was considered free from tension, stress, anxiety, and this was place of Gilsworth, about which he had heard in 1894, and even a newspaper that was published in 1894. And when he told all about it to other person, no one believed it. He presented several examples. There's a third label about it, but no one believed. He took examples. He used to collect just stamps, and but no one believed. And for it, he gave the examples of even his father. He used to collect them, and even the late president of America, Mr. Roosevelt, who used to collect just stamps. And then he wanted to reach there at the third level again to buy 2 tickets to go to the Gilsworth, so that he could overcome over hurdles and sufferings, but he could not reach there. And his wife also denied not to go to the third level, or not to just keep inside himself in the tension, anxiety. And finally, what happened? He got a letter from the side of his friend Sam Biner, over which the date written July 1894. What was written over it? Mr. Charlie, Sam Biner had reached at Gilsworth. That is a very wonderful place where the evenings and mornings was completely long lasting. People have lots of time just to do spend extra time in parks and different other activities. That's why he was also enjoying there, and urged Charlie to come there at every cost to overcome his hurdles. This was the finally letter that was written by his friend, and this is the story of this chapter. You would understand it via this video, and even would study of this chapter with the help of your textbook. Till then, bye and have a nice day.